Today's video is going to be a get ready with me using a combination of new and old makeup. I thought this would be a whole lot of fun. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I'm excited to share some new stuff with you in addition to using some makeup that I already have. And let's get started. All right, Pat McGrath had a sale at the very end of the year, 30% off. You know I love the brand, including the lip products and the Mothership palettes. And I bought another Mothership palette. I'm trying to slowly expand my collection, and I bought the first one. Mothership 1. What is it even called? I don't even know. Here it is. It's so pretty, cool tones. So let's do a look with this. I am going to start with this shade here in the crease. And yes, I like to buy the Pat McGrath products on sale because she has some good sales on her website. So yeah, this was 30% off. And I also bought some lip products. And I got the Divine Rose blush, which I have wanted for so long. I am not, oh, I just took a chunk out of this eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me try to fix this. Good golly, I'm just like ruining my brand new palette. Okay. This is what happens when you film at 6:30 in the morning. I'm not fully awake. So I'm not on a low buy this month, January. It's my birthday month, so I'll be treating myself. Just a fair warning. Also, I did order the Beautylish Lucky Bag, which I'm excited about. I'm going to go with this shade here. It's like a grayish brown. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner and the inner corner. We'll do a halo type thing. Alrighty, but I am starting some new project pans, which I'm very excited about. If you didn't see my year-long, I was like, why does that not look darker? I was putting the same eyeshadow. Okay, I'm clearly struggling here. I'm like, why does that look so weird? I was like, it looks the same. Oh boy. Wow. This is quite the morning. Oh my gosh. I think I need to just get a different brush because this is a struggle. All right. Let's go back to the darker shade. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the black. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Is this whole video going to be a hot mess? Apparently. Just wish me luck at this point. Already taken a chunk out of my eyeshadow. Oh my. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm not on a low buy this month and I haven't really decided what I want to do after that. But you know, it's just the beginning of January. The shimmers in here, I'm so excited. I mean, they all look amazing. I think I'm not going to do the blue today. I think I want to combine these two. Let's see. Let's start with this one. Let me just first just use my finger. See what happens. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, so far I'm glad about this palette. Helps that I also got a fantastic deal. Did you guys shop the end of year Pat McGrath sale? Let's do a little bit of this one too, right in the middle. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm glad I bought this palette. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna clean my fingers, clean up the fallout, and we'll go from there. Okay, wish me luck that I don't mess up the rest of this video. I'm gonna use the Smashbox primerizer. I didn't buy any new complexion products. I've got plenty to use. Do you guys make New Year's resolutions? I don't usually. I think part of it is sometimes I do set kind of goals, which I guess is a resolution. But I hate when they kind of fall off. And for the last years, I've been wanting to read more books. And this year I was doing better than I did the year before with books. I think I read 18 or 19, but it just like at the end of the year, like I only read 2 or 3 in the last like 4 months, whereas all the other ones I read at the beginning of the year. That's kind of how it is though. But I think part of it is like I'll read the books that I want to read the most at the beginning of the year. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Contour Wand. And then I kind of like run out of good books to read. And then I'm just reading books I'm not as interested in. I don't know. So we'll see. But I need to get back into reading. I don't think I read at all in December, which is sad because the book I read in November was just like not that into it. It was fine. I read Lucian Divine by Renee Carlino. It wasn't bad. It wasn't the best book I've ever read. But, you know, it is what it is. I need to start looking into some new books to read. I've got plenty on my Kindle and I have Kindle Unlimited, so I have plenty of books. I love doing this underpainting thing because I feel like you can be kind of messy about it. And because, you know, you're putting on the foundation and concealer on top. I know this looks really ridiculous, but just hear me out. I'm going to use the Merit blush in Beverly Hills and using this EK Beauty brush. Yeah, definitely underpainting has been a total favorite for me. It's awesome. All right, and then for foundation, I'm going to use the Revolution foundation, which I talked about how much I love this in my yearly favorites video. So, and actually I want to use some of the e.l.f. filter too for a little more glow. I feel like my skin it's a bit dry right now. I know this looks ridiculous. Just give it a moment for me to blend this out. But I am going to put some of the Divine Rose blush on top. I'm very excited about that. I've wanted that blush forever. The whole Divine Rose thing. I love it. And I also repurchased the gloss because I had panned the whole gloss a while back. I think it was the year before last. 2022? Wow. It's 2024. I know. I can't believe it. I'm going to use the Smashbox concealer. Alrighty. And I want to do some, I don't know, I've been trying to think like for my channel, what should I do to change things up or, you know, make things better. I tried to make a lot of improvements last year, like with my lighting and camera angle, and I got a new microphone, and it's hard. It's hard. I really am trying, but it's definitely, it's not easy to know, like if I make changes, do people like it? Will people like it? But really, I should just do what I want to do because I realize I can't please everyone, so I need to just do my best. But I don't know. That's just kind of something I've been thinking about. But thank you for all of the love on Geek Miss. Oh my gosh, I can't open this powder. I'm gonna use the Essence Banana Powder. This video is just me struggling a lot, apparently. Oh. gosh. Oh, and I know that I can't open those Pat McGrath blushes. I always struggle with that. Always. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Here it is. Pat McGrath Divine Rose Blush. You have to have your finger, oh, right in the middle. I did it. Okay, there it is. Pretty pink mauve. All right. Let's put a little bit of this. Yeah, her blushes are very pigmented. I have one other one of these. Got a hair on my face. Yeah, this one doesn't seem as powdery as the other one that I have. The other one I have is Love Struck. Okay. I like it. It's pretty. Highlighter. What highlighter should I use? Hold on. I don't even have any highlighters out. Wait a second. All right. We're kicking it old school with Becca Champagne Pop. One of my favorites. It's so pretty. Okay, and some finishing powder. The Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana. No, this isn't Reserve Your Cabana. Ticket to Brazil. I told you, I'm losing it today. This is a struggle. This video it's a total hot mess. I said I was going to improve my channel this year, and here I am. Oh my, okay. Let's do some lower lash line. I'm going to go with these two right here. Okay. There we go. And for inner corner, I want to do, this is the Skin Show shade in all of her palettes, which those can be used as face highlighters too. And I have tried that. Well, not with this palette, but some of the other ones. It's very pretty. Ooh, I like that. All right, I'm gonna do brows, lips, mascara. I'll be back. All right, despite the struggling, I feel like this look turned out. I like it. Let me show you the lip liners I bought. 30% off, I bought 3. Contour, I finished this one last year, or no, the year before, 2022, and I love it. I missed it, and so I bought it. There it is right there. The one I'm wearing is this one, which is called Brown Nouveau. Very, very nice. And then the last one I purchased, Done Undone. I've wanted this one for a while. So there it is right there, Done Undone, Brown Nouveau, Contour. I love the Pat McGrath lip liners, I do. And something I've wanted to buy for a while, the Milani lip oils. So I am wearing this one called Blackberry Agave. Really, really nice. I've heard such good things about these. So I ordered them on Ulta, and then this is the other color I bought called Honey Fig. So I like it. This is my first time wearing them. Well, I'm just wearing this one. I'm not wearing this one, but I like it. I like the look. Nice, cool toned winter eye. Very, very pretty. This palette it's gorgeous. It really, really is. I'm glad that I bought it. I do want to use the blue shade at some point. But that is it for this Get Ready With Me. Bit of a struggle, but hey, we made it. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I love makeup, and I'm excited for some new videos this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.